Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Researcher Media. In last class we discussed Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, and this act was published on 24th August 2006, and this act has total 12 chapters, and these 12 chapter covers 101 sections. In last class we discussed title of each chapter and different section under each chapter. So in this class we are going to take chapter first in detail. Chapter first title is preliminary. Chapter first title is preliminary, and the section under chapter first is 1 to section 1 to 3. Now we'll see section 1 to 3 in detail. Section first of chapter 1 is short title and commencement. Means the short title of act, that is Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, and it's extend to all over the India. And the section second says declaration that in the expedient of interest of public, union should take under control the food industry. And the section third under chapter first is the definitions. Section third under chapter first is definitions. These definitions are important to understand the act and also all rule and regulation of the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. So in this section, under section 3, there are many definitions. So we'll see each definition one by one. Section third title is definition. So the first definition we are going to take is adulterant. What is the adulterant? Adulterant is any material which is or could be employed for making the food unsafe or substandard or misbranded or containing extraneous matter. Means any material which is or could be employed for making the food unsafe, substandard, misbranded or containing extraneous matter is known as adulterants is advertisement. It is any audio or visual publicity, representation or pronouncement made by any light, smoke, gas, print is comes under advertisement. The third important definition is claim. Means any representation which states means any representation which states suggests or implies that a food has particular quality relating to its origin, nutritional properties, nature, processing composition, and or otherwise. Means any representation which suggests or implies that a food has particular quality relating to its origin, its nutritional properties, its nature, its processing composition, that known as claim. Consumer. Any person or family, any person or families purchasing article of food to in order to meet their personal needs. Any person, families purchasing article of food in order to meet their personal need is consumer. The next definition is contaminant. Means any substance, whether added or not, but present in food as a result of production, that is processing, that includes animal husbandry, crop husbandry, and the medicine, veterinary drugs. Manufacture, processing, packing, packaging, transport, or holding of such food are known as a contaminants. Means any substance, whether added or not, but present in food as a result of production, manufacture, processing, packing, packaging, transport, or holding of such food is known as contaminant. But contaminants does not include, but contaminants does not includes insect fragments, rodent hairs, and other extraneous matter. Contaminant does not include the insect fragments, rodent hairs, and other extraneous matter. Next definition is extraneous extraneous matters means any substance, means any matter contained in food which may be carried from raw material, packaging material, or process system which is used for its process system, or which is added to it. But such matter does not make the article of food, does not make article of food unsafe. Means extraneous matter is any matter that is carried from raw material, packaging material, or process system, or added to article of food, but that matter does not make the article of food unsafe, is known as extraneous matter. The next definition is most important. It has been asked in many exams of FSSI. That is food. Any substance whether processed, partially processed, unprocessed. Intended for human consumption, for human consumption that includes primary food, genetically engineered food, food or food containing such ingredients infant food, packaged drinking water, alcohol drink, chewing gum, or any substance including water used for food processing, food manufacturing, processing, preparation, or treatment are food. Means any substance, whether processed, partially processed, unprocessed, intended for human consumption, that includes the primary food, genetically engineered food, food containing such ingredients, infant food, packaged drinking water, alcoholic drinks, chewing gum, or any substance including water that is used for food manufacturing, processing, preparation and treatment comes under category of food. But food does not include food does not includes number 1 animal feed, second animal unless processed and placed in market for human consumption. Third is plant prior to harvest. Fourth number is drugs and medicine products. Now the fifth is cosmetic, narcotics, seventh is psychotropic, substances. These are not included in the definition of food. Food means any substance, whether it's processed, partially processed or unprocessed, but intended for human consumption. That includes primary foods, genetic engineered foods, food containing these ingredients, chewing gum, alcoholic drinks, and any substance including water, packaged drinking water that is used for food preparation are included in the food. Food does not include any animal feed or animal unless it processed and placed in market for human consumption, plant prior to harvest, cosmetics, narcotics, psychotropic, medicines. These are not included in the food.